Okay, so if you were having a hard time not being able to see Nat Network, so I was just getting Nat before, what I did is first I wiped everything out and did a full factory reset. Then I installed the Oracle VMware 6.1, 7 version. It's not working for some weird reason. And then I went to network operation. Oh, wrong one. Went to host network manager and I created one. So now I have 2. And then when that was created in preferences, I'm able to actually see network. Before it was not. So once I got network, I clicked add and automatically popped up being Nat Network. So now Nat Network. Also, if you were having issues with a crash, you need to enable this. And then if this is grayed out, you do these commands.